What is good, guys, and welcome to today's video. We are at Yashio Factory getting everything sorted out for the New Year's party tonight. This is the first time that Oka-chan has ever done anything like this, so I'm super pumped that we're getting the doors open to the public and getting something happening here every year for a yearly ritual. It's going to be sick, and for the first time, I mean, we're trying our best to make it epic, but I'm sure like as the years go on, it's just going to get better and bigger. And yeah, anyways, we've got a whole bunch of cool stuff happening tonight. Actually, I gotta show this to you because this is sick. This El Grand here is owned by Nagata-san, and it has like epic Project Mu brake kit and crazy cool stuff. But the best thing about it is the entire car is just full of bridge seats. It's seriously the coolest thing ever. So this is going to be doing like shuttle runs from the train station, as well as Oka-chan's Velfire most likely. We've moved the S13 in the front here. This thing is so weird to drive. I've never driven an S chassis that's a left-hand drive. I don't know if I've shown much about this on my channel, but this is a Yashio Factory built 240SX essentially, I guess. Left-hand drive S chassis, S13, super cool. It's got Oka-chan really hasn't built that many S13s as of late. It's just super clean and really cool livery wrap. This was at Auto Salon in 2015. It's got the boot latch there as well. Just like all standard stuff. It doesn't open for some reason. I think it's locked. But yeah, I love this car so much. I got to give it a quick clean though. And then we got fire pits. I cut this gas drum in half. Don't worry, I filled it up with water before I cut it, and there was just water going everywhere. But yeah, we're going to be putting all the firewood and stuff in there, having 2 fire pits outside, heaters and stuff set up inside so everyone's warm, and just a bunch of cool like SR stuff. All of Oka-chan's cars on display. It's going to be a sick night. So it's been ages since I picked up the camera because we've been busy setting everything up, as you can probably see. It's kind of crazy. This is like the merch section. We're hanging clothes off the top of the hoist, which I think is pretty sick. There's some of these parts there. This is like the merch thing here. It's so funny using toolboxes and stuff. We got heaters everywhere. I got my little fires going. This is the thing that, like, my little project that I worked on for this, because this is kind of like what we do in Australia all the time, right? Getting the barbecues lit right now. We still got like an hour before everything starts, but we've already got people rocking up, so that's awesome. I'm so pumped. I've been doing a terrible job of filming, as usual, but entertaining guests. There's a fair few here. We got like 30 people crammed inside the workshop right now. It's pretty sick. Enjoying that sausage? Yeah. Anyways. Still making more meat. I think we've only got like 2 kilos left of meat, which is actually pretty epic. We bought like 10 to start off with, so been going pretty crazy. My little fire things are going pretty sick, keeping everybody warm. I'm happy. I don't really know what else to say. I don't know what to vlog. I'm a mess. 39. This is the weirdest job ever, guys. Oh! We got a bingo! Yeah! Cool. Grab a number. This is pretty fun. Yeah. So we got the police and the engineer here. This is hilarious. And you got the harness. You won the harness. Omoy, omoy, omoy. It's been a pretty fun night. And I've probably done the worst job at vlogging. But thank you so much to everyone who came. It's definitely an epic night. Teach me how to skate. Yo! Dude! How do you do that? All right, break it down, break it down.
Okay.
So,
you kick.
Yeah.
And when you're there, just jump. That's it.
Oh!
If you do that, you do a kickflip.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna hurt myself though.
Oh.
Hang on, one more time. One more time. I'm scared I'm gonna hurt myself. Quick night. Yeah. So you
Only the.
So you ollie it.
Do that.
Yeah. And then that.
Yeah.
And then at what point do you like jump?
When you kick.
Oh man, I'm in trouble.
Give me your camera.
Yeah, someone please. It's recording already. I'm gonna totally embarrass myself right now. What I got? Is that okay there? Or a bit further? Yeah, ready? Alright. So ollie. I was not expecting that. So ollie and then yeah, jump in this way. Alright, I'm not gonna give this up now. Oh man, I can read the comments right now. No, I'm not giving up. I'll play with this later. I'm gonna land on his car. That's I'll get my own trick board and I'll try it out. Alright, so tonight's been absolutely awesome. You just watched me completely suck at trying to do a kickflip. I'm gonna go get my own trick board just so I can learn that, because I kinda like, I don't know. I just wanna be able to do it. Like, I started something, I'm not gonna give up. I'm way too competitive. But did everyone have a good night? Yeah! So pretty much everyone's headed home now and we're just packing everything up. But it was actually really good turnout. So many cool people came. There was like literally, the street was just full of like S15s. There was a guy with a 34 and it was packed. It was super cool. Thank you so much to everyone who came once again. We're gonna pack everything up now, but I do want to show you. So Oka-chan, we just got another huge batch of the water temp meter 3s for the S chassis, not the GTR branded ones. And everyone right now is fulfilling all the orders that have been pre-ordered and waited for it. It's kind of like this huge line and we're filling up all of these boxes here, water temp meter 3s. And there's still like another 3 boxes that need filling. It's kind of insane. So I guess I should probably mention they're back in stock. So if you guys did want to get one, definitely head to atakagarage.com.au. Just type in Oka-chan water temp meter. I'm sure it'll pop up. And get yourself one before these ones sell out. Before these guys head off, I wanted to show you this Vito-san's S15. He got this because I inspired him to get it. Isn't that right? I convinced you to get an S15?
You did.
Are you loving it? From going from a 33 in Australia to that, worth it?
Yes.
Hell yeah. And then I kind of had a bit of influence on Phil as well, because you used to have a JZX100, right?
I wanted this initially, and
yeah.
A friend of mine talked me out of an S13. I was like, you don't want an S13, you want a Chaser. It's like a 4-door Supra. Turns out, it's nothing like that, and I didn't like it. It's a cool car, but it wasn't for me.
Hell yeah.
And I was talking to Sam, I was like, you know, whenever the chance comes around, I would like a nice S13. He got that, and with this is the last year of the 180, it was a 98,
yep.
So that's pretty good.
Pretty epic Type X. The wheels and everything that came with it. The only sucky thing is it's obviously 4-stud because it's an S13. So eventually that'll get 5-studded, and he's got some big plans to this, boosted up and stuff like that. But this was a really, really clean chassis. It's insanely clean. And he picked this up for a pretty good deal as well, which was epic. Oka-chan actually had this just chilling. And then, yeah. I love the pop-ups, man. That's what does it for me. But the most important question I have, right? Because you used to tell me that you never used to look back at the JZX100 when you'd leave it and park it.
Yeah, no, the Chaser was just, it was like a Camry. It was just some car.
It was a Camry. But every time you park this and you walk away, do you look back at it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Hell yeah. That's when you know you got the right car. Awesome, dude. Make sure you have a good night. Thanks for coming. Thanks for your help. One of the guys that came tonight gave this sticker to Oka-chan, and you know he put it right on the back there. I'm faster than you. Such a good sticker to give him. Guys, I just found this came from the same guy that made the Meat Soldier shirt, and he made a calendar called The Meat Journey 2020. This is the best thing ever. Oh man, it's actually like, you know, Wagyu beef and stuff, but it's just funny as. Oh, that's hilarious. I love that. The Meat Journey, lads. Heading to the hotel now. Epic day. Did you have fun, May? You're pretty wrecked. She's tired. She's exhausted. She helped out and did so much. She actually mainly organized the entire thing. But make sure, guys, if you're coming to Japan, you come to this next year. We're doing this every year now. It's going to be sick. Next year's going to be bigger and better. We've got some cool ideas already. I'm pumped. Let's get to the hotel and wrap things up. Made it back to the hotel safely because I am extremely exhausted, and so is May. But luckily the hotel's only 2 minutes away, so it's pretty hard to not make it here safely. Anyways, all of that aside, I just went through all the footage, and I do want to apologize to you guys. I did a terrible job of filming tonight. It's the first time I've ever done something like this, especially like while trying to entertain guests and everything else on my mind, getting things done and, you know, organizing everything around and stuff like that and helping May out. It was crazy and very hard for me to remember to pick up the camera. I actually wanted to start filming from like the morning, the moment we started, but it was just everything, because we filmed another video today for Oka-chan's YouTube channel and stuff. Definitely subscribe to his channel, just search Yashio Factory, you'll find it. But yeah, like, we filmed all of that today. We could have filmed so much behind the scenes stuff. Like, there was a lot that happened today, and setting up everything for the party, and I just so busy I forgot. And then during the party, entertaining guests, meeting everyone and all that kind of stuff, it's crazy. I don't know how some people do it, but definitely next time I'm gonna try harder. So thanks heaps, guys, if you watched all the way to the end here. With that, May, happy birthday. Also, thanks for organizing everything. She just got out of the shower, so she's got a towel wrapped around her head. So you'll probably only see her foot for the rest of the video if she puts it up again. There it is. Sweet. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you loved about this video in the comment section. And with that, I think I'm gonna say one more thank you to everyone who came tonight. It was great, everyone that helped out. Thank you very much. Looking forward to next year. It's gonna be bigger and better and epic. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out. Ciao mata.